The misadventures of Google and other organizations provide case studies in the inherent risks in replacing humans with AI. Recently, Google was forced to disable its newly launched AI image generator after the tool caused some embarrassing gaffes. Google had attempted to fine-tune the model to eliminate racial biases, but it ended up generating bizarrely inaccurate images and refusing to process benign prompts that it misinterpreted as racist. Elsewhere, an Ontario court forced Air Canada to refund a customer who had used its AI-powered chatbot to inquire about the airline's refund policy. The chatbot had given the customer an answer that conflicted with Air Canada's official policies, and the customer relied on the answer in purchasing his ticket. These incidents serve as cautionary tales for organizations that want to use AI in decision-making contexts. These are great tools that might save you time and money, but they could subject you to liability when things go sideways. Thanks for snacking on Bytes, where we serve up bite-sized practical insights on technology law issues in 60 seconds or less. If you're hungry for more, follow us on LinkedIn, Medium, and YouTube. I'm Sabra Ibrahim of OptimEdge Legal.